Colors carry different meanings, and they may have an impact on emotions, thoughts, and behaviors. One of the most important elements in identification and uniqueness of a business are colors. What color you use in promotions or advertisements, it's important because it impacts all your promotional effort. In this case, to have better results, it is better to look into a scientific approach rather than rely on your own preferences, because a particular use of colors may seem completely fine based on your preferences, but may have a negative impact in your promotional campaigns because of its hidden meaning in people's psychology. Inflexibility when choosing a range of colors can mess up the design, can cancel out all previous efforts, and can cause negative impact in the psychology of your potential customers. Of course, we all perceive colors in slightly different ways. However, it's subjected to some well-known rules and patterns. For example, warm red, yellow, and orange visually enlarge subjects, while cold blue, light blue, and purple compress them and move them away. How big companies use colors to have an impact on the psychology of their customers. McDonald's uses colors like red and yellow, which are high-energy colors and evoke children, arouses appetite, and creates a sense of urgency. This strategy of using red and yellow in such an effective way has been very powerful for McDonald's, which might not have been the same big chain it is today without using this clever technique. For sure, it wouldn't work for McDonald's trying to promote all that unhealthy food using the green color. Interestingly, the only major global brand that uses green as its primary color is Starbucks. Using green shows that Starbucks hopes to promote a sense of relaxation with their coffees, inviting customers to come in for a coffee break during a stressful day. If you want to see what each color means to the psychology of your customers, download the PDF file on the Resources section. If you practice each technique and psychological master key that you learned in this course, you will make a lot of new customers. But you must keep your customers coming back. So go through the next lecture to find out methods that will make your customers coming back and buy your products or services again.